In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Amazon account. Whether you're a shopping pro or new to the online shopping world, setting up an Amazon account is a straightforward process that unlocks a world of convenience and a huge marketplace. Let's break it down together. First, open your preferred web browser and type Amazon into Google's search bar. This ensures that you're heading to the official site. Look for the first result in the search and click on it to navigate directly to Amazon's homepage. Once you have the Amazon homepage open, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see a Hello Sign In button. Hover your mouse over this and a drop down menu will appear. From here, click on Start Here because we're setting up a new account today. You'll be directed to a registration page. The first detail to input is your email address. This should be an address you frequently use and have access to, as it will be linked to your account for all notifications and secure verifications. After entering your email, click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, you'll find yourself on a page prompting you to create an account. Take a moment to fill in your first and last name. This information helps personalize your account and is used for any shipping details if you place an order. Now it's time to create a password. Think of something both secure and memorable. Ideally, use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to bolster security. You'll need to enter it twice to confirm you've typed it correctly. After confirming your password, click on Verify Email. Amazon will send a verification code to the email address you've provided. Take a moment to check your inbox for this email. If it's missing, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder. Once you have the email, locate the verification code within and enter it back on Amazon's registration page. This step confirms that you have access to the email and ties it to your new account. After inputting the security code, click Create Your Amazon Account. This final step officially sets up your account. Lastly, follow any additional prompts that Amazon provides to finalize account creation. This might include setting up payment methods or personalizing your profile with a shipping address for seamless shopping experiences in the future. And there you have it, you've successfully created an Amazon account. Now you're ready to explore and shop from Amazon's extensive offerings. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Happy shopping!